In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Google Ads campaign. Duplicating a campaign is a quick way to reuse a proven structure without rebuilding everything from scratch. It's especially helpful when you want the same settings, keywords, ads, and extensions, but for a different location, audience, or test. Let's walk through the exact clicks so you can do it confidently. First, open your Google Ads account and head to the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Campaigns and click it. This takes you to the full list of your campaigns where you can see their names, statuses, and performance. Make sure you're in the right account and view, and that the filters at the top aren't hiding anything you expect to see. Next, choose the campaign or campaigns you want to duplicate. Do that by checking the box next to each campaign name on the left side of the table. As soon as you select one or more, a context bar appears above the list. This bar is your action panel for bulk edits. On that context bar, click Edit, then choose Copy. Think of this as placing your selected campaigns onto a clipboard within Google Ads. You won't see anything change yet. That's normal. You've just told Google Ads which campaigns you want to duplicate. Before you paste, clear the selection so you don't keep editing those same campaigns. To do that, click Cancel on the context bar. This closes the selection state and returns you to a neutral view. It's a small step, but it helps avoid accidental changes and ensures the paste applies exactly where you expect. Now you're ready to create the duplicates. At the top of the campaigns list, click Paste. Google Ads will process the action and generate copies of the campaigns you copied. Give it a moment if you selected many campaigns. When it's done, you'll see the new versions appear in your list, typically with the same structure and settings as the originals. From here, you can review the duplicates, adjust names for clarity, and get them ready for your specific goals. And that's all there is to it. You clicked Campaigns, selected the ones you wanted, used Edit and Copy, cleared the selection with Cancel, and then pasted at the top of the list. This simple workflow saves time, keeps your setup consistent, and makes scaling much easier. If you follow these clicks, you'll have reliable duplicates ready to fine-tune whenever you need them.